So I got past the construction. I'm here. I think this might be Gabba Street. I think it might be Gabba Street. Again, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, or close to like 8:30. And I'm just walking around. You can see here a window display of all the old sewing machines. Pretty neat. Alright, come on. Hey kitty, I don't have any food for you. I don't have any food for you. I'm sorry. No food. And here is more of it looks pretty peaceful this early in the morning, and it feels peaceful, although for me I feel quite hungry. I hear cats. I don't like when cats are like crying or meowing a lot. They're either hungry or thirsty. It just makes me feel really bad for them. So let's go down and see if there's anyone here, or if there are any stalls that are opened up. There's actually no one. Literally. Oh no, I lied. There are like a few people. I see them. I see a few people. Not many people though. Alright, let's go this way. We'll walk here. We'll see. What is he? Oh, he's selling miswak. Hello, can I record? Can I record? Can I record? Camera? Yeah? So here he has miswak, a whole bunch of miswaks. How much are they? Come. Yeah. So these are all 10 riyal, and I think there's like maybe about more than 10 of them. And look how nice they look. There's a whole bunch. And it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and he came really early. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. That was nice of him to let me record it. Oh my god, they closed more. They said this way to exit, but I don't want to exit. Which way do I go? Do I go this way? Or do I go this way? Okay. So let's go this way. For gold and diamonds. So this is Souq al-Dahab. This is where they sell a lot of gold. A lot of gold jewelry. So, and they're developing this square. And let me tell you, there's a lot of development happening. A lot. I'm against the light. Well, I'm walking towards the light. So this is gonna... Oh, it's hot. But it looks beautiful. I should be walking this way. I should be walking that way, right, kitty? Right? Am I going back? No, I don't need to go back that way. Let me go this way. This is the way that I need to go. Okay? Because that's gonna take me back to where I came from, Bab Mecca. And then for me to come back, I need to go all the way around to get back here. So I should have taken the other way. See? This way to Souq al-Nada or to King Abdulaziz Street. We'll see which way we're gonna go, or I'll show you guys. All right, we need more light. So just a little FYI for you guys. So if you plan on coming to the Souq, do not come at 8 o'clock in the morning. If you want to look at the architecture and just walk around, you're not gonna find a lot of shops open. You're probably gonna find maybe like 2 or 3 shops. Or it might just be the day of the week. Maybe I came on the wrong day. I should probably ask someone. But I feel like the majority of... I shouldn't say the majority, I can't speak for the majority of Saudi Arabia. But for a lot of parts of Saudi Arabia that I visited, oh, this looks beautiful. Yeah, for a lot of parts of Saudi Arabia that I visited, the shops usually open like afternoon. Like some of them would open in the afternoon, and then some would open later on in the afternoon, like around 3-ish, 4, and then 5. Okay. It does get really hot in the morning, and shops open pretty late at night to like maybe around 11 or 10-ish. So yeah, word to the wise, come a little bit later. Don't come this early unless you just want to like walk around. Okay, and make sure you eat breakfast. So I don't know if there are any breakfast spots. So make sure you get something in your belly, something light. Again, it does get hot. For me, I'd rather not drink anything right now because I don't want to have to go pee. And if I did want to go pee, I wouldn't know where to go pee in the market. Sometimes when I do go to the market, and if I have to really pee, I would go to the masjid. But I haven't had to pee or go to the washroom in Al Balad or Bab Mecca, thankfully. Okay. I see a young man asking for direction here. Here is a gate. I don't know what gate this is. Al Forda gates. There we go. Ibrahim Al Garshi. Okay. Oh, perfect. I'm just loving that they just walked into this. I might just turn this into my thumbnail. Hey kitties, look at this. This is what I love. They have water for the cats. And there's a cat sitting right here, just chilling and relaxing. Alright, we're gonna do more touring. I'm looking around here. Oh, good. I'll like that. That's too bright. Turn that down. That's too dark. And that's too dark as well. Actually, we'll go this way. Let's look at the cars passing by. Oh, there's a bus coming. I've taken this bus before. Well, not this bus exactly, but a bus here in Jeddah. And they're rather inexpensive. So if you want to travel on a budget here in Jeddah, you can take the bus. And it's ladies can take this bus and also men. It might be about 3 riyal. 3, maybe 2 riyal to take the bus. But it doesn't stop everywhere. So you won't be able to go to every single part of Jeddah with these buses. I haven't seen these kind of buses and like all over. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off.